In this video, I will be talking about the imminent danger Bitcoin is currently forming on the charts because it is repeating exactly the same market structure like it was doing here on the 30,000 US dollars. And together with that, I will be talking about this important pattern that is about to break out, the most significant and most important support level to watch right now on this market, because as soon as this level breaks, we could have, of course, some more trouble, and much more will be getting discussed as well. We'll be talking about Celsius and their liquidation price. But before jumping in towards this video, guys, yesterday we almost smashed it up towards 600 likes. We were so close, but can we reach it today? So make sure to smash up the like button. It will be absolutely amazing if we can smash it up to 600 likes right now. Smash it up, and let's dive right away in towards the content. And let me start off with talking about the imminent short term. Of course, on the imminent short term, I am expecting that Bitcoin is still going to get dragged back towards the CME close price, what is going to be trading around the 19.3k. Like you can see, we've been trading below it, but I personally still think that at the end of the day or the beginning of tomorrow, we are going to be trading somewhere around that 19.3k. That is going to be, of course, the CME close price. So do expect that the weekends could be full with fake outs like you saw over here, but there is, of course, a very big possibility that we're just going to get dragged back towards the CME close price. More importantly, I want to be talking right now about this very important upward sloping support line. You can clearly see over here, one touch, second touch, third touch, and we're once again touching it right now. And this is going to be crucial to hold on towards right now. You can clearly see there's a lot of significance getting added. And personally, if we do lose this level of support, we are probably going to see another significant correction. And what am I talking about? Probably since, of course, we've been already retesting that 18.7k level for several times before, and we've been already holding on towards, we have been holding on towards it, but not very strongly. I am going to be expecting, of course, to see the 17.5k getting reached as soon as we do break this support level right here. So yeah, this is, of course, a shot for extreme danger in the market right now, and I would definitely highly recommend for everyone out there to be very cautious with their trades right now. And personally, I am going to be looking at more short trades as soon as we do break below this level, but more importantly, I am currently still looking for long trades for a potential bounce from off this level, of course, right? So I'm going to be trading it either direction, but yeah, right now if we're really going to zoom out in this range, we can really talk about this, of course, larger time frame consolidation phase, right? If we're going to extend the support line, we're going to extend the resistance line, we can clearly see, okay, Bitcoin is right now forming a larger time frame consolidation phase. We can clearly see there's a significant amount of support and resistance getting found on the top side and lower side, and personally, I think it's only more likely to expect a little bit of a move back here towards 20.6k or even just 20k, and then potentially come down afterwards, and then we're going to see what direction we're going to choose towards, right? So a break below the support level is going to be catastrophic, and it's going to lead towards lower prices. And if we're going to come up and we break this resistance on the top side, yeah, it's going to be very bullish for this market. More importantly, I want to be talking about the 4-hourly time frame as well, and the imminent short term on the 4-hourly time frame. We can clearly see we're forming a descending broadening wedge. This is, of course, a more kind of a typical bullish bias reversal pattern. You form, of course, a move up, then you form this consolidation phase right here. It is more than likely to see this one breaking towards the upside, actually, and see a continuation towards the upside. The price target of this descending broadening wedge is going to be somewhere around the 21.3k, and I'm going to be just aiming for this upside resistance target right here. So this is, of course, a very typical bullish bias reversal pattern, so please do take in consideration. This is, of course, a pattern. As soon as we do break out, we want to be looking for more long positions, and of course, especially if we're as well holding on towards this upper sloping support line right here, it could be, of course, a very amazing move we're going to get generated today. So I do also expect, considering this support line right here, this resistance line right here, we are going to see a massive amount of volatility getting created today. But I right now want to be also talking about the extreme danger in the chart, because Bitcoin is literally forming same market structures like it was doing here back on the 30k region. And after seeing, of course, an exact replica of this previous market structure, are we going to get another significant leg down? Because basically, once again, we're forming another continuation or another consolidation flag. And if we're going to be measuring the price target, we're going to be looking from high to low towards this move right here. We're going to be measuring it from high to low here. We're going to be aiming for a target around 9,000 US dollars. So that is going to be, of course, an extremely bearish target, but I will be definitely be very cautious with watching this trend right here, because here we didn't really form a significant bullish divergence, right? But if we're going to come down, we break below this level right here. We form that significant bullish divergence from oversold territory, and more importantly, I am personally going to be very excited about this market structure. So I am still, of course, seeing extreme danger in this market right now. But still, I personally think we're rather close to a bottom, or the bottom is already being formed, and I want to be seeing a bullish divergence getting formed from oversold conditions for, of course, a potential significant move back up. However, if we're going to be seeing a real clear break below the previous low in the market here, yeah, we could be in for, of course, another significant correction down. And personally, targets where I will be aiming for are going to be these targets. So let me say this correctly to you guys out there. If you're going to set up a Fibonacci from the pandemic low here, boom, to the swing high, you're going to be looking at levels somewhere around the 17,000 US dollars. We have not touched that level yet here. 17,000 US dollars is going to be extremely important level in Fibonacci support. Like you can see, after losing the 0.618 here on the top side, after losing this level right here, boom, we right away flashed all the way down. And I think realistically speaking, if we're going to be able to touch the 17K, we could be potentially get a very strong bounce from off that level. So please do take that in consideration. Yes, I am seeing imminent danger on the market after seeing such kind of a continuation pattern getting formed. So please be aware. We are right now in stages where the market is definitely a little bit more dangerous. At the same time, I want to be pointing out here that the monthly time frame close was pretty interesting, right? We didn't close the monthly candle below the previous all-time high, and that is actually a very bullish thing for Bitcoin. It's still holding on towards its previous monthly resistance, basically the all-time high from 2017. We closed above it. Pretty interesting. And also do reckon that if you're going to be looking at how the monthly candle close is, we pumped in towards the last 2-3 hours of the monthly close, then we closed it and we fell down right away. So that was a pretty interesting monthly close here, pumping towards the monthly close. Right now we're going to see on this how this one is going to be closing, but so far we are expecting, of course, that we're just going to hold on towards this level at the end of the month. Maybe we're going to fall more down, but at the end of the month I'm personally expecting we're still going to hold on towards this range over here. Then also we'll quickly an update on Celsius. Celsius currently their liquidation price is on the 12,000 US dollars. They brought down the collateral once again. They're still, of course, in a significant lock, but their liquidation price is right now $12,000, and they're planning to even deleverage more in the coming days, in the coming weeks. So Celsius really doing an amazing job here by bringing down the liquidation price, bringing down the leverage in the market, and I think it's a very good thing here. But due to all these big companies and the big venture capitals bringing down their leverage, it is still providing massive sell pressure across the market. So do take that in consideration. But this is, of course, a good development for the Celsius network. More importantly as well, guys, if you are interested in trading, make sure to check out the link in the description right here, where you can trade, of course, on Bybit, and you can claim a significant deposit bonus if you want to be trading any of these breakouts we discussed today here, because there's going to be a lot of trading opportunities coming towards our way. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching towards this amazing new video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you do think this content is valuable for you out there. But yeah, I will check you guys in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.